So watching guys, I
We're back again. We're back again with another review. And if you don't know this, a DDG. You see DDG? Basically my favorite rapper, favorite rapper. I like Lil TJ, but I'm still taking DDG.
DDG, you're crazy dog, you're crazy. And my next favorite.
And a funny story, DDG reacted to our story yesterday. You not talk about react.
I put the screenshot for the screen.
Yeah.
Is it?
In view our story and thing. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Crazy thing, is it?
Not.
So what you know?
That song I call
Oud Melody.
DDG, OG Parker, Oud Melody, official audio featuring Young Boy. Never broke again. Y'all know who that is.
No cap, yo.
So what you know?
This was the thing what everybody go. So you know so in the music video job, it's gonna be crazy, bro.
It's gonna be like moonwalking Calabasas. Well, further ado, let's get into the video.
No, it's actually an audio still.
Or the audio, which anyone. How's your Parker?
All of my young niggas losing their life cause they don't know it's life that is outside the trap. Niggas be telling us if we don't dribble the ball, then maybe a nigga can rap. Niggas on the block, they be moving at work. He got the weed, the coke, and the perks. Nigga got a clock, he don't wanna get murked. If a nigga try me, I'ma put him on a shirt. I have the weed, I can't even see. We killing each other, I shit from the earth. I got a big E, I keep it with me. I never been shot, but I know that it hurt. Niggas killed my brother back in 2014. Streets know with the 12 with a cold case. That was back in Pontiac in my old place. Niggas
Fuck.
I gotta bring my Beretta when I wear my jewelry, cause I do not know what they thinking. Niggas be plotting on me when I'm blinking. I be too paranoid, bitch. I be tweaking.
Man.
I be too paranoid. I gotta move a certain way. Can I be cool? Don't feel away. Not to be rude, but go away. All of my young niggas losing their life cause they don't know what's life that is outside the trap. Niggas be telling us if we don't dribble the ball, then maybe a nigga can rap. Niggas on the block, they be moving that work. He got the weed, the coke, and the perks. Nigga got a clock, he don't wanna get murked. If a nigga try me, I'ma put him on a shirt. I know they watching emotions run straight out the sack, protecting myself in the church. I think I aim all this way. Come around when they see me now. Know these niggas just won't see me down. Came in, she was loving me back. She got her back, don't be with me now. You ain't right now, see written all in your eyes. Tell no lie, yeah, I bet you won't fool me now. I ain't making home, then the sun go down. In the matter of some seconds, then you call my phone. And my pants be the reasons I ain't never slowing down. Mastermind how to put another body in the ground. In the car all alone with 7 something wrong. Roll it to the ill, let her check for the sound. Ain't no ticking, I've been standing on beat. Got it jumping out the kitchen, I'm in Canada, steady smoking out the
You're up in there, man.
I ain't know I'm sick, but gon' need another pint by the mom. Keep my finger clean, got
This is crazy.
Stepped on the line, work down on the corner. All of my young niggas losing their life cause they don't know what's life that is outside the trap. Niggas be telling us if we don't dribble the ball,
All of my young
maybe
niggas
a
losing
nigga
their
can
life,
rap.
man.
Niggas on the block, they be moving at work. He got the weed, the coke, and the perks. Nigga got a clock, he don't wanna get murked. If a nigga try me, I'ma put him on a shirt. Shorty was with me and I got her lit, but I heard she be hopping from dick to a dick. But I'm not tripping, I know I ain't get. I am not putting my trust in no bitch. Can't leave the crew without bringing my stick. Got too much money, I'm risking that bitch. They killed my brother, that shit got me sick. Soon as they free him, I'm getting them hit. Nigga, I made it all. People have faith. Came around, fuck what they saying now.
The man says, so as them let out, the man them won't kill him, brother. You know, say, yo, a grave them I go back to.
No cap.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Them go to disintegrate.
You hang around, keep you a thing around. Ain't no more swinging out, niggas shit spreading out. I don't know shit, I ain't do it. I just rap, I influence. They just wanna know what I'm doing. Made it out the hood. I'm all of my young niggas losing their life.
If you tie back rule number 1, you know that's when you make it out the hood. If you make it out, don't go back to the hood, you.
Yeah, bro.
Niggas on the block, they be moving at work.
And in Jamaica, they get it.
Nigga got a clock, he don't
Bad
wanna
mind,
get
they
murked.
and
If a
thing.
nigga try me, I'ma put him on a shirt.
This shit is crazy, bro.
Not gonna lie.
This
It's
shit is
just
crazy,
crazy,
man. Everybody knows say, oh,
Yeah, man.
yeah, DDG, fun brother. So if you
Fun
hear
to
him
be
dep on a,
one dog.
if you hear say him dep on a feature with NBA Young Boy,
It's dangerous.
6ix9ine offer $1 million to NBA Young Boy for a feature, and the man get turned down. And for see my favorite rapper, what them a say, oh, underrated right now, you see it? Yo, them can't talk to him after this, you know.
Can't talk to him after this.
After that tape it done, you know. No more YouTube rapper shit or whatever they want to say, you know. Is it?
No joke.
So what you know, at the end of the review that this shit is crazy. Yo, wanna go stream up this shit on Spotify. Wanna make sure you know watch the video.
Every platform.
We're gonna left the video in the description. Make sure you click the video and watch it because this shit is fire, bro.
Make sure you make DDG see it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And no cap. We're out this bitch.